Alright guys, so welcome to today's giveaway video, and before you continue with this video, I would like to announce that I'm not going to drop an explanation on this one because I have already made a whole explanation in form of a series. So check out the JoJo series, link is in the description guys, and especially check out the videos about the arrow, the stand, and the Roka system, okay? To understand how you set this thing up and how it works. Okay, with that being said, let's continue with the video guys.